Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the email address connected to your Wizz Air account. The process is slightly different from changing other personal details, because Wizz Air does not currently provide an option to edit your account email directly. Instead, you need to contact Wizz Air customer support. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Wizz Air website. Make sure you are using the official website to avoid sharing your personal or booking information with an unofficial service. Click the Sign In option near the top of the page. Enter the email address currently connected to your Wizz Air account, followed by your password. Then click Sign In. Even when you no longer have access to the old email inbox, you may still be able to sign in using the email address and your existing password. After signing in, open your profile section. You can edit several personal details from this page, but you will notice that your registered email address cannot be changed directly. Wizz Air requires you to contact customer support to update it. Scroll to the bottom of the website and select Help Center, or open the Help Center from the website's main menu. From the available options, choose Contact Us. You should see support methods such as Chat with Amelia, Self-Service, Claims and Refunds. Select Chat with Amelia to open Wizz Air's virtual assistant. The virtual assistant is available 24 hours a day, although access to a human agent may depend on availability. Type something like, "I need to change the email address registered to my Wizz Air account." Follow the options shown in the chat. If the automated assistant cannot complete the request, ask to speak with a customer support agent. Tell the support agent that you want to replace your old email address with a new one. It is helpful to have the following information ready: your full name, your current registered email address, your new email address, your Wizz Air account number when available, your phone number, a recent booking confirmation code when applicable. The agent may ask additional questions to confirm that you are the owner of the account. Do not share your password, full payment card number, or security code with anyone. Carefully check the spelling of your new email address before sending it to the agent. After Wizz Air processes the request, check your new inbox for a confirmation or verification message. Also, check the spam or junk folder if you cannot find it. Follow any verification instructions included in the message. If live chat is unavailable or cannot resolve the issue, return to the Contact Us page and choose the option to speak with an agent. Select your country to find the appropriate Wizz Air call center details. Explain that you need to update the registered email address on your Wizz account. Be prepared to confirm your identity and account information. If you booked your flight through a travel agency or another booking website, the email address connected to that individual reservation may be controlled by the third-party provider. In that situation, contact the travel agency first and ask it to update your booking information. Changing the email on your Wizz account may not automatically change the contact details held by the third-party booking website. Once the change has been completed, sign out of Wizz Air. Then try signing in again using your new email address and your existing password. Open your account and confirm that your bookings and personal information are still visible. And that's how you change the email address connected to your Wizz Air account. Remember, you cannot normally make this change directly from your profile. You must contact Wizz Air through live chats or its call center. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials.